Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Looking for the cutest and trendiest Easter decorations for 2025. This year, Crochet Easter Decor is taking over, bringing a handmade, cozy, and stylish touch to holiday celebrations. From adorable crochet bunnies and floral wreaths to eco-friendly crochet eggs and charming Easter baskets, these handcrafted decorations add warmth and creativity to your home. Whether you love modern minimalism, rustic farmhouse, or vintage elegance, there's a crochet Easter trend for everyone. Stay tuned as we explore the best crochet Easter decor ideas for 2025 and how you can bring this festive charm into your space. One of the most popular items this year is crochet bunnies and amigurumi plushies, which come in neutral toned shades or earthy tones to match various home decor styles. These adorable bunny figures can be displayed on mantels, entry tables, bookshelves, or as part of a festive Easter centerpiece. Some designs even include floral crowns, mini scarves, or embroidered details, adding personality and charm to each handmade piece. Another key trend is crochet Easter wreaths, perfect for front doors, fireplaces, or wall displays. These wreaths often feature delicate crochet flowers, leaves, bunny ears, and even tiny eggs, creating a beautiful mix of textures and colors. Some popular designs include bunny-shaped wreaths with soft yarn accents or more elegant, lacy crochet patterns for a vintage touch. These handcrafted pieces bring a welcoming and festive feel to any space. For those looking to make their Easter decorations more sustainable, crochet Easter eggs are becoming a stylish and eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic eggs. Made with cotton or wool yarn, these eggs can be embroidered with floral designs, embellished with beads, or even designed to open up as tiny pouches for storing small treats. Placing these eggs in decorative bowls, woven baskets, or hanging them as a festive garland can add a unique and reusable Easter touch to any home. A fun and playful crochet trend this year is crochet carrots and vegetable decor, which add a charming, farmhouse-inspired vibe to Easter decorations. These handcrafted carrots, radishes, and other spring vegetables can be displayed in baskets, on dining tables, or as part of a kitchen arrangement for a whimsical yet rustic touch. For those who love Easter baskets, crochet designs are taking center stage in 2025. Handmade crochet Easter baskets come in a variety of shapes and sizes. From classic round designs to more intricate bunny ear baskets with soft, plush handles. These baskets are perfect for Easter egg hunts, gift-giving, or simply as a beautiful decorative element for the home. When it comes to table settings, Crochet adds a special handmade touch to Easter dining. Bunny-shaped placemats, floral crochet coasters, and intricately designed table runners elevate the holiday table, blending classic elegance with festive cheer. Mini crochet nests with tiny eggs make for beautiful individual place settings, while soft, lacy crochet napkin rings add a refined finishing touch. Incorporating crochet into Easter decor brings a sense of warmth, creativity, and tradition to the holiday. Whether it's a cozy amigurumi bunny, a delicate floral wreath, or a charming Easter basket, these handcrafted details make the season feel even more special. With Crochet Easter decorations on the rise in 2025, it's the perfect time to embrace DIY projects, sustainable decor, and personalized handmade pieces to make Easter celebrations even more memorable. Crochet Easter Decor is the perfect way to bring warmth, creativity, and sustainability to your home in 2025. Whether you love bunny plushies, floral wreaths, or elegant table settings, these handmade decorations add a unique and festive charm. Which crochet Easter trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and home decor inspiration. Wishing you a beautiful and creative Easter celebration.